Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Shelbyville, local and long distance movers near me. Our clients may choose from local, statewide, or interstate moving services. We stay in touch with state and federal authorities who keep track of our activities. 3 Movers engages the most committed and efficient drivers to transport your goods to new locations in perfect shape, since we highly appreciate our customers and their possessions. We've also set protection insurance to cover liabilities before and after the migration. Furthermore, our organization provides reasonably priced services, so you don't have to worry about exceeding the quota. Local relocations are usually less expensive than long-distance ones, and our hourly rates charge as low as $30 and $40 an hour. When you choose our local moving services, our movers are licensed and careful, and you will get a lot of bang for your buck. Whether you're relocating to a quiet neighborhood or a crowded metropolis, we'll make sure your possessions arrive safely. We also assist our customers in planning the relocation procedure and making the best selections possible. Prior customers and locals have attested to the excellence of our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shelbyville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.